Hello guys, how are you? Good morning. How do you do? I'm fine. I'm Duko original. I'm fine. And guess what? I told you I'll be going for a safari, and now I'm in Ukambani, my people. I'm in Ukambani where I'm born. Just look, I'm in Ukambani. I'm in Ukambani now. This is ona hawa. Ona hawa wananiangalia aje. Ona kuku. Ona, this is Ukambani, my guy. Angalia huku. Angalia. Huku ni Ukambani. Huku ni Ukambani, my people. I thought you I'll be going for a picnic. I was coming to see my mom last week, but when I was in Kisii, my own home. Now I'm back in Ukambani. Nowadays, I'm a local tourist woman. Just look. This is Ukambani, my people. I'm proud to be a Kamba. This is my home. Nikiambiwa back to Ukambani, back to back. It's apologetic. I'm born here, raised here, in Ukambani, Makueni, and now I'm back. I came to see my mom. And my brothers, sisters, everybody, all my people. So I'm proud to be a Kamba. I always like to come and say hi to my dear people, because sometimes you can forget your people. So I'm supposed to be there always for them. Look, cows. In Ukambani we have very many cows. Yeah, it's green. It's not the way people say that at Ukambani we don't have this and that, we don't have rains. It's like God has forgotten us. No, we have rains. So the place is green. I'm happy to show you where I come from. Yeah, this is my boys. Yeah, we unakalia umbwa kaki. Hiyo ni nini tena? Surely. Just look. Otherwise, I'll be showing you more and more videos from there. Bye, my people. I love you. Look these boys. Na uko smart aje? Umenyolewa nini? Boska. Inaitwa nini? Box. Kale. Muko aje? Toto. Ona. They are happy here. Bye, my people. Bye. Love you, my people. See you in the next video. Bye.